Welcome to Omnitech Insight. Today we're diving into how AI tools can revolutionize your productivity and streamline your daily tasks. Whether you're a busy professional or just looking to optimize your personal life, AI has become a game changer in today's fast-paced world. So, what exactly is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines or software that mimic human intelligence. AI can analyze data, recognize patterns, and make decisions, often faster and more accurately than humans. From predictive text to virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI has already become part of our everyday lives. But beyond these familiar tools, AI has vast potential to boost your productivity. Imagine having a digital assistant that can handle repetitive tasks, organize your schedule, and even write reports. That's the future, and it's here. Now let's explore the top 5 AI tools you can start using today to enhance your productivity. Whether you're writing emails, reports, or even social media posts, Grammarly is your go-to tool for improving your writing. It checks your grammar, tone, and style, helping you communicate more clearly and professionally. Trello is great for managing projects, but with its AI-powered Butler bot, you can automate repetitive tasks like creating cards, assigning team members, and sending reminders. Zapier connects your favorite apps, automating workflows without coding. For example, you can set it to automatically save Gmail attachments to Google Drive or send notifications for new tasks in Slack. Notion AI is perfect for creating content, generating ideas, and organizing information. It helps draft reports, brainstorm blog topics, and even summarize documents. Otter.ai transcribes your meetings or interviews in real time, allowing you to focus on conversations rather than note-taking. It's ideal for anyone who needs quick and accurate transcriptions. Each of these tools has unique features, but what they all have in common is that they save time, reduce manual effort, and keep you organized. AI isn't just for personal use. Businesses around the world are leveraging it to improve efficiency. Marketing and sales AI-driven analytics help marketers predict customer behavior, allowing them to tailor campaigns with precision. Automated chatbots engage with potential customers 24/7. Manufacturing AI improves predictive maintenance in factories, ensuring machines are maintained before they break down, reducing downtime. Customer service AI chatbots can handle up to 80% of routine customer queries, allowing human agents to focus on complex issues. These examples show how AI can reduce costs, improve efficiency, and allow businesses to operate smarter. Now let's get into how you can integrate AI into your own daily tasks. Follow these simple steps. Identify your needs. The first step is to determine which tasks take up most of your time. Do you spend hours answering emails? Are you bogged down by administrative work? Choose the right AI tool. Once you've identified your needs, select the AI tool that best fits the job. For writing assistance, try Grammarly. For task automation, explore Trello's Butler bot or Zapier. Set up automations. Most AI tools come with pre-built templates to help you get started. For example, Zapier has workflows for connecting apps, and Trello's Butler bot allows you to automate task management. Just follow the setup guide for each tool. Test and adjust. After setting up your tools, use them for a week and observe how much time you're saving. You might need to adjust workflows or fine-tune AI's settings to better suit your work style. Monitor performance. Regularly check how AI tools are impacting your productivity. Are you hitting deadlines faster? Are repetitive tasks being handled automatically? If so, you're on the right track. Of course, adopting AI tools can come with challenges. Here are some tips to overcome common hurdles. Learning curve. At first, AI tools can feel overwhelming. Take your time, use tutorials, and start with basic features. As you get comfortable, you'll be able to unlock their full potential. Trusting AI isn't perfect. It might make mistakes or misunderstand commands. Always double-check the work AI generates, especially if it's a critical task like emails or reports. Security and privacy. Some users worry about data privacy. Ensure that the tools you use have strong security features and always read the privacy policies. Fear of automation. There's often a fear that AI will replace human jobs. But the reality is, AI is a tool that helps us focus on more important tasks by handling mundane ones. Think of it as an assistant, not a replacement. In conclusion, AI tools offer a huge opportunity to boost productivity, automate tasks, and free up time for more creative and meaningful work. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or part of a large organization, AI is here to assist, not replace. Call to action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. Start integrating AI into your life today and watch your productivity soar.